When the handle of the rondello is in a flushing position, and when the pinch clamp of the flushing fluid is open, only flushing fluid will flow towards the patient. When the pinch clamp of the flushing fluid is closed, and when handle of rondello is in a flushing position, no fluids will flow towards the patient. Even if each pinch clamp of each secondary drug lines are open, RondelO in a flushing position provides a barrier so no fluid of the secondary lines will reach the patient. When the drug to be used is selected with the RondelO handle, note that all other secondary lines will still be off, even if their respective pinch clamps are open. You now begin to see the blue color of the selected drug, which is now the only drug that can flow to the patient. The pinch clamp of the other secondary lines are now shown as closed again as recommended. After the secondary drug has run empty, close the pinch clamp, position the RondelO handle in a flushing position, and open the pinch clamp of the flushing fluid. The flushing fluid will rinse RondelO internally from any previous residuals and will separate the drugs further down the line towards the patient. Give next drug by close the pinch clamp of the flushing fluid, select the drug with the RondelO handle and open the pinch clamp. Adjust with the roller clamp to the desired flow rate. As you can see, the drug is now visible with yellow color and is the only drug that now can flow to the patient. When the drug has run empty, close the pinch clamp, turn the handle to the subsequent flushing position, and open the pinch clamp of the flushing fluid. Again, the flushing fluid will rinse the RondelO internally and separate each drug down the line. When flushing fluid has rinsed the line from previous drug, close the pinch clamp of the flushing fluid, position the RondelO handle towards the next drug, and open the pinch clamp of the secondary line. As you can see, the third drug in sequence is now flowing and is filling the drip chamber with red color. This is the only drug that now can flow to the patient. When the drug has run empty, close the clamp and select with the RondelO handle the next subsequent flushing position and open the pinch clamp of the flushing fluid. After the infusion is finished, disconnect from patient and discard as a whole without disconnecting anything from the RondelO to avoid drug exposure. RondelO allow only the selected drug to flow to the patient and thereby creates a barrier towards drug mixing.